So, hi guys, and welcome back to the stream. Today is 21st of July. and it's Tuesday, a very clean Tuesday for us to have some nice trades, hopefully. So first of all, let's look at the first trade. So yesterday we were talking about gold, right? And we had some convictions about its selling overall on the higher time frame. Although price is reacting from this 4 hours order block here, and that's why it had this massive push to the upside. But overall, for the past couple of weeks, we've been having a uh, very bearish couple of weeks basically. And as you can see, the structure that I have drawn from up here, of which it was reacting from this particular order block here, has been running since then. So let's just see. So basically, on my small live account, I took this particular trade that you're seeing here, but I did not want to rush into it on the prop account because I did not want exactly what happened here to happen, which was it's taking out the liquidity, right, before it started coming back down. So now where it's at, especially because of this 2 hours huge bulge in 2 hours candle here, right, and I could look to take from the to enter into the trade right now. So I think that is what I am going to do, and I'll take 2 trades. This is what it will look like. Since I've been Maria, so yeah, I'll take it from here. I'll be risking, let's check it on the daily again and then see if it's so basically we're just saying that the huge rejection that we saw in the last 4 hours is what we are going to. I think I'm going to hold on just a little bit. Let me check the lower time frames, and if I can see something more better to enter from there, then I think that is what I will do. Okay, rather than to take from there, right? If I'm going to bank on this trade being correct, since it was just a sweep, then I think I would rather take from this 15 minutes fair value gap here, mostly because there's also like a little inducement, right, that it could react from. So let's check that out. So if I can get something like this, then I honestly do not mind taking it from the 15 minutes order block that was here after this little market structure shifts here, right about here. So I have to go and calculate my, it's about hitting itself, so I have to check my, I have to calculate my lots before going in. Yes, it's in a new killer. That's 6. That's the machine. So yeah, when it gets there, I will look to take in some little trades, but I will wait a little bit, just a little bit. I will wait before I make any decisions. If it breaks this structure with any like mad volume, right, then I would not enter into the trade. But I will wait to see something. I'm on break even on the other trade on the previous one. So yeah. Okay, I can enter now. I would like to see the 5 minutes close like that, and then I'm in. It's just 2 minutes more. We can be patient and wait for it. This is still also a really good trade. Do you understand? So whatever it is, let's see. And if price respects this and this is how it's going to close on the 5 minutes, right, then I might just as well put the trade like this. I might as well, so I'm risking less and I might increase my lots just a little bit, right? So let's do that. It's closing in a couple of minutes. So it will be 7631. state 7. So yeah, we can enter now. So yeah, SL at 7631. Seven six three one. And the thing is, we're not even risking much on this trade, just about $74. So let's see how it goes. I mistakenly closed out one just now by mistake. I mistakenly closed out one by mistake, so I think I'll enter it again. So like I said, not risking too much, just two trades. So this is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Let's see how it goes though. So this is the target here. Let's see what it looks like on the 4 hours. I might not even target that far, yeah. I might target this, probably this other block here. So it could be probably ratio 4 or 3. I don't mind. I'll take it. Yeah, I'll manage it. Even if it's a ratio 3, I'll take it. So yeah, this is what we are looking at for today. Hopefully, this is going to be a good. There's an indicator I really like using. For some reason, I'm not. Okay, I think this is it. So we're still in the London section. Very soon I'm going to do New York. I'm just very hopeful that during this London session we can see some really nice falls. That would be really nice. We have a sweep of Asian's range first of all. It's the points of interest and now it's falling. So I just hope to see some really good sales. I am hoping that eventually the sales are going to be massive, but I can only be hopeful. Like I said, I have that on my live also. I've taken partials on one of them, and I should have. Well, I'm not gambling, so I was about to say I should have taken more trades on that, but I did. I went with the right parameters. Okay, seems like price might want to go back and test the other block. But let's watch. Let's see. Yeah. What I might do is, just in case price might want to come back up here and retest this other block. If I see that it might also want to break, I might move my stop, because like I said, I'm risking 70, about, yeah, they're about $70 on it right now. And the parameters I had, like the risk I had going into the trade was at least $100. So just in case it does that, I do not mind increasing the stop loss just a little bit. And the reason why it is at 34 is because it went a little bit higher. Because I said let's wait for that 15 minutes average it to be filled first, of which it did. Well, let's watch what happens. And just like I said, if just in case it still wants to get up there, I will still try to give it a little more, space for it to breathe and see what happens. But for now, I want to take a couple journals on the journal, a couple of things. We all stay tuned. So yeah, let's watch it on the 15 minutes and just stay. I think this is the lowest time frame we should be observing it from. Hopefully it's continues bearish, but like I said, we can only be hopeful. Oh. Things around the circle. No, I don't think I'm going to move the stop loss. Let it just be a risk of 70. I was thinking about giving it some room to breathe, but it's best it's where it's at right now. So I think that's what I'm just going to do and leave it at where it is. Let's just watch out and see how it goes. But while we're doing that, let's check all the pairs on our watch list. So, red folder pairs. So on Euro USD, we haven't really seen anything. Although price did take liquidity before it started rising, but it didn't touch the other block in which we chose. Let's check GBP JPY. In all the pairs, we still have a long way to go, except from gold. So since gold is the only one we are observing, either we hit SL or we hit CP or break even, whichever. But let's see how it goes. This is a really, really risky one because look at this. Anyways, price can be deceptive like that. You could just have made all this engineered all this liquidity for it to take this and then come back down. I was about to say, if it has been doing this, then it probably might just continue buying today. But then this looks like a very deceptive move, and a lot of people are going to fall into the trap of thinking they would want to buy from here, and then they'll get trapped. So me, I just want to take out from here because I don't have any reason waiting for this whole move. If I can take at a ratio 4, then I'm good with that. Let's watch and see how it goes. Finish. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Pleasure. Pleasure. Spirits. So yeah, this is what we have. I can just stay here staring at the chart. So I'll catch you all later. If by New York section something good starts happening, then I'll be back on the charts. But I have a very big day today, so I might not necessarily be on the charts, and I will update you all if anything good happens. Hasta la vista.